In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the R2 unit from Disneyland. Stay tuned.
Welcome to the Dum Dum Channel. Are you feeling like a dum-dum? It's okay. We're here to help.
On the bottom of the unit's body, there is a switch that you can turn off and on. Once you have the unit turned on, adjust the feet so it can stand up straight. Stand the unit up on its feet. On the remote control, there is a few different buttons that you use for the droid to move. The top left blue button makes it go forward. The bottom left blue button makes it go backward. The circle button on the top makes R2 talk. The bottom circle button is used for R2's accessories. There are lots of accessories that you can buy that light up and make sounds. They're very, very cool. The long red button makes R2's head go left and right. The bottom two blue buttons on the right make R2D2 go right and left. Congratulations, you now know how to use the R2 unit. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.